Ma'am, am I audible?
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
Shall we start, ma'am?
Yes, ma'am. We can.
Okay. Jai Gurudev, my dears. How are you all? Hope you are all fine. This morning is very pleasant, right? Yes. Okay, today we have math class. Okay, here myself, Yorani, and Suganya ma'am are there to carry over this session. Okay, yes. Now, before starting our session, always we will do our morning prayer, right? Yes, now I would like to call Ms. Suganya ma'am to start our session with the morning prayer.
Yes. Thank you, ma'am. Yes, children, come on, sit straight. Join your palms. Close your eyes. Yes. Guru Brahma, Guru Vishnu, Guru Devo Mageshwaraha, Guru Sasha Parabrahma, Tasmai Shri Gurave Namaha. Happy morning, children. Yes, we are going to enjoy our class now. Yes, I want everyone to keep your math class book or rough notebook near to you with the pencil. Okay, side by side, we are going to work out the problems in our rough notebook. Yes, yes, yes. Your Iman, will you take or shall I proceed?
You can take, ma'am.
Yes. Okay, now we are going to see a small revision. Yes, we are going to have a short recap on statement problems. Yes, we were seeing, right, addition and subtraction up to numbers 20. So in that we have some statement sums. We are going to revise those statement sums. Okay, ready? Yes, first we are going to see addition statement sums and then we'll go for subtraction statement sum. You should all listen carefully. Okay, yes, so addition statement sum. The first sum ma'am is going to read. You should also see the slide and read along with ma'am. Okay, yes, come on, sit straight, sit straight. Yes, shall we? Yes, see, Ria went to a pet shop and she brought 17 goldfish and 2 bluefish. Okay, how many fish did she buy in all? See the word all. Do you remember the word all? Where it will be used? For addition or subtraction? For addition, right? We have some terms for addition. Add, some, many, like that we learned many words, right? Yes, so in all means what? You're supposed to add. Addition means putting things together. Yes, so we are going to add the goldfish, the number of goldfish and the number of bluefish. Okay, yes, if they have given the statement sums, what is the first step? No, you should write in the sentence. Yes, from the question you should take it and write in the sentence format. Okay, see, here they have written as number of goldfish. See, number, N-U-M-B-E-R. Short form is N-O. Okay, so number of goldfish, like this you should write. And numbers, we have 2-digit numbers, right? So we already know the place value of 2-digit number is ones and tens. So above that you should write ones and tens. Okay, so number of goldfish 17, 1, 10 and 7 ones, right? So number of goldfish 17, number of bluefish is 2. Yes, so now we have written in the sentence format. Okay, so from the statement sum we have written in the sentence format and now we are going to add. So now the number here is 17 plus 2. Shall we add using the mind calculation? Yes, 7 in the mind. Come on, count along with ma'am. 7 in the mind, 2 in the finger. After 7, 8, 9. Yes, we got the answer as 9. Whenever two-digit number comes, which place value you should add first? From the right hand side, ones column, right? So now we found the answer for ones. 7 plus 2 equal to 9. Now second, what is the second step? You should add the tens column. How many tens we have? 110 and below 0, right? So when you add 0 to any number, you will be getting the same number. Property, do you remember the property? So here 1 plus 0, the answer is 1. Yes, so 17 plus 2, we got the answer 19. Yes, see, so total number of fish equal to 19. Like this only you should write in the statement format. Okay? Yes, and see below ma'am is putting in the box, see answer equal to 19 fish. Like this you should take and write the answer. Okay, if you write only you will be getting full mark. Okay, clear? See, with the answer total number of fish equal to 19, like that itself we should not leave. Okay, you should take and write answer equal to 19 fish. Clear? Shall we see the next sum using another method? Yes, now you all are clear how you should take and write the statement in a sentence format? Yes. And the second sum is, there are 11 girls and 5 boys in a class. How many children are there all together? All together. All together means what? Addition. Yes. So here also we are supposed to do addition. We are supposed to add the number of boys and girls. Shall we? Yes. So here first step is you are supposed to take and write. Yes, you are supposed to take and write in the sentence format. So number of girls. How many girls? 11. And number of boys? 5. Yes, and place value. You should write the place value above tens and ones. And according to the place value, you should arrange the number there. So 11, 1, 10, 1 ones. So we have written for girls, and for boys 5 ones we have. Yes. Now shall we add using drawing the object method? Yes. Yes. So we have here 110, right? How many sticks makes one bundle? 10 sticks, right? So that one bundle we will write in a square. Okay. 1, 1, yes, so here we have tens and ones, we have 11 and 5 boys. Now using drawing pictures, you are going to find the answer. Okay, how many tens we have? We have 110, so we will write 110 in the box. Okay, the loose sticks we are going to write near to them. How many ones we have here? We have here 1 1. So we are going to write 1 ones, and down below 11 we have 5, right? So 5 sticks I am going to draw. I am going to draw 5 sticks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 sticks. Okay. So now here we are going to find addition using drawing. Yes. So shall we count? Shall we count? Yes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we have here 6 loose sticks. And how many bundle? We have only one bundle, right? So we are going to take and write 1 here. Is clear? So when you add 11 plus 5, the answer is 16. Yes? So we got total number of children. We got total number of children is 16. And you are supposed to take and write the answer. below, right? Answer equal to 16 children. Yes, so you will be getting 3 marks. If you write the statement correctly, you will be getting 1 mark. If you write the number in the correct place value and find the answer, you will be getting 1 mark. And last, if you take and write the answer equal to 16 children, 5 balls, 6 balls, like that, if you take and write the answer, you will be getting 1 mark. So you will be getting full 3 marks if you write all these 3. Okay, clear? Shall we go for the subtraction? Yes, statement sum using subtraction. Yes, and now we are going to see subtraction statement sums. Yes, the first sum is, yes, there are 12 cows in a farm. There are, Sridhar sir, kindly unlock the room. Sridhar sir, kindly unlock the room, sir. Thank you. There are 12 cows in a farm. The farmer sells 2 of them. How many cows are left in the farm? Left means what? Subtraction. You should subtract, minus, right? Difference. These were the terms used for subtraction, right? So here you are going to subtract. Yes. So how you will be writing the statement? You will be writing as total number of cows 12 equal to 12 in the correct place value. Tens and ones you should write. Then number of cows sold is 2, right? 2 cow only is giving to his friend. So 2 cows. So total number of cows is 12 and number of cows sold is 2. Now we are going to subtract 12 minus 2. So come on, shall we do with our finger? Yes, come on, leave 2 finger. First we will subtract ones and then we'll go for the tens. Okay? 2 fingers and he sold 2 cows. So you are going to close 2 fingers now. 1 and 2. Do you have any open finger in your hand now? No, right? So when you subtract the same number, you will be getting the answer 0. Yes, do you remember the property? When you subtract the same number, you will be getting the answer 0. Yes, and we have here 110. When you subtract 0 with any number, you will be getting the same number. So 1 minus 0, 1. So when you subtract 12 minus 2, the answer is 10. Okay, clear? How to do subtraction? Yes. So and you should take and write the answer equal to 10 cows. Yes. So the next we'll do with the mind calculation. Okay. Yes. Here the next sum is, there were 17 ice creams. The children ate 5 ice creams. How many ice creams are left? Yes, clear? Shall we do it? Here again they are asking us left. So you are supposed to subtract here. So total number of ice creams 17. Total number of ice creams 8. 5. So you are going to subtract 17 minus 5 and you should place the number in tens and ones column. So same, shall we draw objects and subtract here? Yes. Shall we draw the objects and subtract? Yes. So here 17 and 5. Yes, we have here we have here 17, 5. Okay. So now we are going to subtract. How many tens we have? We have 110. So same way we are going to write the tens in the box. 110. See, if you, then we have 7 ones. So I am going to draw 7 sticks here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And number of ice creams 8 is 5. So from 7 I ate 5 ice cream. I take away, I give away 5. These are the words for subtraction. Do you remember? So now I am going to cross out 5 ice sticks here. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yes, I have crossed out 5 sticks here. Can you see the remaining? Yes. How many sticks left over? It's 2, right? Very good. So, when you subtract 7 minus 5, the answer is 2. The answer is 2. And we have only 110. So I'm going to take and write 1 here. So when you subtract 17 minus 5, the answer is 12. So the number of ice creams left are 12. Yes, clear? Yes, how to write the statement, how to take and write the number in the correct place value, and whether to subtract or add, you're supposed to find with the clue words that is given in the question. Okay, then you're supposed to take and write the answer below. Okay, yes. Now it's time for, yes, LSR. Ma'am is going to ask the left out children. On that day, ma'am can ask some kids, right? I'm going to ask those kids. Okay? Yes, so you should be in mute. If your name is called, you're supposed to unmute and say the answers. Okay? Others, what you should do? You should side by side work out the problem in your notebook. Okay? Clear?
Ma'am, Jai Guru ma'am.
Yes, sir.
Ma'am, someone is switching on the camera, ma'am. Monish Magadi, 1981.
Kanna, kindly mute your video and audio, Kanna. Only then the PPT will be visible. You're all very good children, right? I want all my kids to mute their mic and video. Yes. Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Are you there?
Yes, yes, Yurani ma'am. Shall I call out the names?
Yes, ma'am. We can start, ma'am.
Yes. Yes, children, the names those who called alone should unmute. Others should practice the sums in your rough notebook or in your math class book. Okay? Yes, so I'm going to call from 1E Arshan. 1E Arshan.
Harshan, are you there?
No, he's not it. Jay Krishnan. Jay Krishnan. Jay Krishna. They are there, but they are not unmuting. They are there. Jay Krishna. Moni. Okay, yeah, he came. Ma'am. Yes, Jay Gurudev, Jay Krishna. Yes, Yuvarani, ma'am. You can ask.
Okay, ma'am. Kanna, see the A question here. What is the number name written here? SIX. What does it mean, Kanna? 6. Very good. Okay, 6. And the next symbol is plus, right? Okay. So what is the number name? This one, FIVE. What does it represent? 5. F5. Very good. Now we are going to total up. Okay, 6 plus 5. We are going to add 6 plus 5. Come on, add and say the answer. 6 in the mind, 5 in our finger. After 6, count. After 6,
11.
11. Oh, you straight away said the answer. Very good. Star for you. Okay, now say me the Number name for 11. E.
E
Mm,
L
mm,
E V
mm,
E
mm.
N.
Superb, Kanna. Very good. Thank you. Heading
Thank you,
start.
ma'am.
Monish, are you there? Monish? Monish?
Yes, ma'am.
Monish Kanna? Good morning, Kanna. See here, see the B question. What is the number name written here? N-I-N-E.
Nayan.
9. Superb, Kanna. 9 plus. What is the number name here? Next number name.
Nayan plus
S-I-X.
6.
6. Very good. Now say me the answer. Add it up and say me the answer. 9 plus 6.
6, ma'am.
9 in our mind. 6 in our finger. After 9.
Fingers.
After 9. 10. Say along with me. 10. Monish. Monish.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Kanna. Count along with me, Kanna. After 9. 10.
10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15.
15, ma'am.
Okay, Kanna. Thank you so much. Now, can you say me the number name for 15?
15.
Number name, number name. F I F
F
F T E E N.
F I F T E E N.
Superb, Kanna. Very good stuff for you. Very good, Kanna. Thank you.
Rayon.
Thank you, ma'am.
அதுதான் கேக்குறாங்க.
Rayan.
Rayon Muttarasu. Rayon.
Rayan, are you there? Yes, Kanna. See the C question. What is the number name?
8.
8. So, okay, very good. Next number name?
4.
4. Very good. Now total up 8 plus 4 is equal to
12.
12. Wonderful. Now say me the number name. T.
T.
Mm.
I don't know, ma'am.
Okay, Kanna. I will help you out. T W
T W
E L
E L
V E.
V E
12.
12.
Star for you. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, Kanna.
Samrish. Samrish. Samrish.
Samrish, are you there?
Yes, yes.
Samrish, Kanna. Now count and say me how many fox are there. How many foxes there, Kanna?
3 bucks.
3. Very good. 3 foxes. Very good. Okay, now say me how many monkeys are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
5 monkeys are there.
5 monkeys. Very good. Now say me how many lions are there.
1, 2, 3, 4.
4 lions. Very good. Now first we have 3 digits here, right? 3 digits they have given. So first let us total first 3 animals. Okay. Now total up these 2 animals. 1.
3 in the mind.
Okay. 3 in the mind. Super.
After 5.
After 3. 4.
4.
5.
5.
6.
5, 6, 7, 8.
8. Superb. So we got the answer for 3 plus 5 is equal to 8. Now with this 8, we are going to total this line also. Yes, now 8
8 in
plus
the
4.
mouth, 4 in the fingers. Answer right.
After 8.
8, 9, 10,
Hmm.
11, 12.
12. Wonderful, Kana. Superb. A big star for you. Very good, Kana. Thank you.
Ma'am.
Okay. Ma'am, next child, ma'am.
Sarjit.
Sarjit. Sarjit. Sarjit, are you there? Ma'am, next child.
Varnika. Varnika and Vishmita. Varnika
Varun-
followed by Vishmita.
Okay. Varunika, are you there?
Good morning,
yes.
ma'am.
Good morning, Kanna. Now count and say me how many dogs are there?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
6 dogs. Very good. Now say me how many kitten are there? Kittens.
1, 2. 2
2. Very
kittens,
good.
ma'am.
Okay. Now how many bunnies are there?
1, 2.
Okay. Super. Now can you guess the answer?
6 in the mind, leave
Okay.
2 finger. After 6, 7, 8,
8.
8 in the mind, leave 2 fingers. After 8, 9, 10.
Wonderful, Kanna. Big star for you. Superb, Patu. Very good.
Thank you.
Vishmita. Thank you. Vishmita. Vishmita from 1E.
Vishmita, are you there? Vishmita?
No. Balakumaran. Balakumaran. Gopi Kishan. Gopi Kishan. Kishore Kumar. Gopi Kishan. Kindly unmute yourself. Gopi Kishan. Kishore Kumar. Kishore Kumar. Yeah, Gopi Kishan has come, ma'am. Gopi Kishan.
Gopi Kishan? Good morning. Gopi Kishan?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Kanna. Can you see some pictures here? A boy is riding a cycle, right? Yes. So, shall we count how many pictures are there here? Yes? All together? Shall we count first? Yes, count along with me. Start counting. 1,
4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11.
11. Why you are crying, Kanna? What happened? What happened, baby? I will give you a big star, okay? Don't worry, okay? Okay. So totally we have 11 pictures, right? We have 11. Okay. So from this 11, okay, we are going to, from this 11, we are going to take away 3 pictures. So now can you say me how many pictures are remaining? Count and say me. 1, Ocho. Okay, I will help you out, baby. Don't worry, I will help you out. Count along with me, okay? 1, 2. 8 is the answer? Still, who's crying? Okay. Don't worry, I will give you a big star. Superb, Kanna. Wonderful, you have done wonderful job. Superb. Next
Kishore
time,
Kumar. Kishore Kumar.
எப்படிடா அது?
Kishore Kumar.
மூணு போட்டுங்க, மூணு கூட ஹீட் போட்டுங்க. எவ்வளவு
Kana, kindly mute yourself. I want all my dear ones to mute their mic, please.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11,
Is that Kishore?
Rayan. Rayan Muttarasu. Kindly mute yourself. Yes, thank you. Kishore Kumar. From 1F, Kishore Kumar. Krishwant. Krishwant. Lohit. Lohit. Mohammed Alman. Mohammed Alman. Padmesh. Padmesh. Sanjay. Sanjay. Vignesh B. Vignesh. Yeah, Yuvarani ma'am, the name which I'm calling are there in the participants, but they are not unmuting themselves. Arshika. Arshika.
Kana, kindly come forward to answer, Kana. We are there to help you out.
Marks are also
Don't
being
worry.
given.
Yes, we are there to help you out. Kindly come forward, unmute yourself and talk. Okay, this is only the oral assessment. Don't worry, we will help you out.
Arshika.
I want all my kids to come forward and say the answer. You are all very good children, right? I will give you a big star.
Kavyashri. Niralya. Niralya.
Anyone there? Ma'am is calling out all the names. If anyone is there, kindly
Yes,
unmute
Niralya.
and say Jai Gurudev. Okay, Niralya, how are you, Kana?
I'm happy.
Happy? Wow, wonderful to hear. Okay, Kana, can you see here the strawberries?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, there are 15 strawberries. Okay, from that I am taking and giving you 2 strawberries. Okay, I am giving you 2 strawberries. Now say me, how many strawberries are left with me? Shall we count together?
Yes.
Count 1,
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13.
13. Okay, so we are left with 13. Now this 3, where I have to put? In which place value I have to write? Either in the ones column or tens column.
Yes, ma'am. Sorry.
Ma'am, I'm written here on the top of the 3. On the right hand side, the first number goes to the place of ones column, right? Okay. The next number goes to the place tens, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, tens. So we can write 1 here. Okay, my dear. Thank you so much. A big star for you. Wonderful, Kana.
Prityanga. Prityanga. Sanjana.
Prityanga. Sanjana, are you there?
Sanjana. Sri
My
Kavya.
dear children, kindly come forward to answer. We are there to help you out. Yes?
Yes, Sivarani ma'am, I have called out all the names and some of the names are there in the chat box, so I'll call those names. Linkesh. Lingesh.
Lingesh, are you there?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Kanna. See the first question here. It is 12 and 6. 12 plus 6. Okay. What is the first step we have to do for the addition, Kanna? Which column we have to add first? Ones column, right? 6 plus 2. Now say me the answer for 6 plus 2. 8. Wonderful. Now we are moving to the tens column. So 1 plus 0 gives you the answer?
1.
1. Superb. So how many tens and how many ones are there?
18.
18 is correct. Superb. How many tens and how many ones are there? 1 10 and 8 ones. Very good. Wonderful, Kana. Superb. Star for you.
Krishiv. Krishiv. Krishiv.
Good morning, ma'am. Good morning, ma'am.
Morning.
Now, can you see the B question here? They have given 15 plus 4. 15 plus 4. First we are going to... Okay.
In the mind, 4 in the finger. After 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
Wonderful. Superb. You are done with the ones column. Now we are moving to the tens column. So what is 1 plus 0?
1.
1. Superb. So how many tens and how many ones are there?
10 ones.
Huh?
10
1 10.
1 10.
10.
9 ones.
9 ones. Wonderful, Kanna. I will give you a big star.
5 more
Super.
minutes. 5 more minutes, ma'am. Kamachi.
Kamakshi,
Kamachi.
Yes, ma'am.
can you say the number name of 5?
Yeah, ma'am.
Yes, say Kanna. See the number name for 2.
Two.
Number name of 5.
5. Yes.
Ah.
IBE 5.
Superb, Kanna. Very good. Star for you,
Thank
Patu.
you. Nikhil. Nikhil.
Nikhil, now say me the answer for 16. The number name for 16. 16.
16.
What is the number name of 6? 6. Number name of 6. Yes? Repeat after me, Kanna. Yes? Kanna, we don't have time.
Yes, just Ivarani ma'am, I'll just give some of the names are there in the chat box. In Marktar already we have asked those kids and we have marked marks for them. So this is the second chance given. We'll be continuing the session in the next class. Okay? Yes, and it's time to unmute and say bye. Yes, children, from today your exam starts. Okay? You should write. Yes, wait, I'll give you the instruction. You should write the test in the notebook and you should take a photo and send it in the Google Classroom. Okay, this is the general instruction. You should write the test. Yes, wait dear, wait. 4 o'clock, teachers will post the questions in the Google Classroom. You can take the questions from there. Only the answers with the question number you can write in the notebook and take a snapshot and send it, post it in the Google Classroom. Please don't forget to write your name in the first sheet. Okay, because in some names have been some names have been entered with your father or mother's name. So, in every paper, write your name. Okay, the children name, the kids name. You should write your name and post it in the Google Classroom. Okay? Yes, all the best. All the best for your exam. Don't get help from your mother or father. You itself think and write the exam. Okay? Yes? Yes, thank you. All the best. Yes, you are
All the best, all my dears. Thank you. Thank you, Sonia ma'am. Thank you, Sridhar sir. Thank you, all my dears.
Each subject separate
Everyone.
notebooks.
Yeah, அவங்களுக்கு கேக்கு
Yes, ma'am. All the subjects should be written in only one notebook. You can maintain one notebook for all the 5 subjects.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
It may be 4 lines, unruled, ruled, or double line, anything, but maintain one notebook for all the subject.
Okay, ma'am.
If you write, yes, ma'am. If English subject is written, kindly take snap and send it. Don't send all the 5 subject in a single this. According to the Google Classroom exam room, English you should send in English, Hindi in Hindi, Tamil in Tamil, Computer Science, and Maths in the Maths too. According to those Google Classroom, you're supposed to send the answer sheets. Is any other doubt, ma'am?
Yes,
No, ma'am.
ma'am. I have a dot, ma'am.
Yes, dear. What doubt?
It doesn't say. Speak out. Ma'am, ma'am. Send it to group.
You should not send it to the group. You should